How to create TradingView account. I am going to show you how you can easily create a TradingView account. Go to tradingview.com in your web browser. Click on Get Started to begin the account creation process. You will see different plans and pricing options. Essential for $12.95 per month, plus for $24.95, and premium for $49.95. You can also try any of these plans for free for 30 days. Scroll down the page and click on Sign Up. You can choose to continue with your Google account or click on Email to sign up with your email address. Enter your email address and create a password for your account. Complete the CAPTCHA verification to confirm you are not a robot. After verification, click on Create Account. Check your email inbox for a verification message from TradingReview. Open the email and click on Activate Account. On the activation page, check both boxes indicating you have read and agree to TradingView's term and privacy policy, then click Next. Your TradingView account has been successfully created. Now you're all set to start using TradingView to analyze markets, create charts, and explore trading ideas.